In Victoria, Texas, a broken AC is a summer emergency. Common issues include refrigerant leaks, frozen coils, faulty thermostats, clogged air filters, electrical problems, and condenser coil issues. Each problem can turn your cool haven into a sweltering nightmare. Thankfully, fixes are at hand. Sealing leaks, defrosting coils, replacing thermostats, cleaning filters, repairing wiring, and servicing condenser coils. Regular maintenance like cleaning filters and annual tune-ups are your best defense against the heat. Costs for repairs vary, from $100 to $300 for refrigerant recharging, up to $500 for electrical repairs, and a steep $3,000 to $10,000 for a full AC unit replacement. Investing in preventative care can save you from these scorching expenses. Stay cool, Victoria. Maintenance is key.